I always like to find ways and tools to help you improve your financial goals and help you improve your credit goals. This video is no different. Just recently partnered with ScoreMaster, truly believe in their product, and I want to talk about how great this tool is. If you're someone of the following who is trying to buy a house, trying to rent a home, trying to get a better car insurance policy, trying to get a better car loan, a personal loan, or anything of that nature, get a credit card, this video is for you, and I want you guys to stand by and watch this, and I'm going to explain to you how easy this all-in-one tool is that is very cost-effective and cost-friendly. It's going to help you save a lot of money in the long term. Let's get right into this video. All right, guys, so ScoreMaster again is going to allow you to reach your financial goals. It's going to allow you to reach your credit goals. It is an all-in-one stop shop to do just that for you. Unlike other online platforms, again, this is giving you everything you need all in one for one price. And if you click the link down below, I'm going to give it to you for even a cheaper price if you were to go to my link as opposed to going directly to the website. The average person using ScoreMaster in 20 days saw a increase of a whopping 61 points. That is crazy. Again, one more time for you if you didn't hear me. The average consumer using ScoreMaster saw a increase in 20 days of 61 points. That can take somebody from a 650 to over 700. That is amazing. That can take you from the low sevens to the top tier when it comes to credit, up in that 750, 760 range. That's amazing. ScoreMaster is very easy to sign up for. We're going to go to ScoreMaster.com. I'm going to do it on the computer. Like I said, guys, you guys click the link down below. You're going to get a discounted price for clicking my link down below, but let's watch and see how we do this. So we're on the computer now, and you're going to go ahead and just click sign up, and it's very easy to do so. So you're going to click on sign up. You're going to put your information in here, first name, last name, email. And once you put all this stuff in here, and I'm just going to do a test for you guys, just to make it nice and simple for you. I'm just going to go ahead and put your information in here. I'm just going to put Maestro, Walter, and I'm going to put a password in here that you should never be using to ever make a password. And it's going to click continue. It's going to ask you what the last for your social, your date of birth, your street address, your phone number, zip code, etc. And you'll be signing up. Okay, so that's very easy to do so, super easy. Let's talk about the products that it offers on ScoreMaster.com. Now, this is one of the features of ScoreMaster that I really think sells itself. This is called ScoreBuilder. So ScoreBuilder is a personalized plan that tells you what's hurting your score, what's helping your score, and you can actually take action. You can literally take action and try to get these things resolved and taken care of. All right, so here's ScoreBuilder like I was showing you. So it's right here is the second one. And again, guys, these are personalized for you directly, so which you see will vary between each person and yourself individually. So you're going to go ahead and click take action now, and it gives you 120 days to build credit. And again, this is going to give you that personalized plan to see what's really helping your score, what's hurting your score, and all that good stuff. Let's just say, for example, right now I'm at 639, and my goal score is 729, and I have 120 days. I'm at day 16. So we're going to look at everything here to see what's open on my report, what's closed. You're going to see credit score effects on it, so it's low, high, which is really good. And then you're going to go to action categories available to me. So here are the 4 options that are available to me. This is pretty cool on the take action side. You can fix credit reporting errors, get goodwill corrections, pay off or negotiate small debts, or you can remove identity theft as well. This is really good to have. Now, as you see, there are no actions taken here, but together right now, we're going to take an action. So here's an example. So let's say right here is Citibank. All right, so we're going to look at Citibank here, and this is what they call a problem account. And the reason this is a problem account is because we see that red mark right there in January of 2017. So it's been reported as a 30, 60, 90. That's how the credit bureaus work. So you'll see a 30, 60, 90, even a 120 at times. So let's just say, for example, for me, I was never late on this. I have proof that I have the payment and all that stuff. We can actually take action with ScoreMaster through ScoreBuilder. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to click fix error. And I'm going to has a bunch of different options here. Just scroll down. You see all these different options. Okay. Now you could say, for example, you were never 90 days late if you were only 60. You could say you were never 30 days late. Or you could just say in general, I was never late on this account. So that's the one I'm going to pick now. I was never late on this account. And you see it automatically generates a reason. And I'm just going to type in here also, click on confirm instant delivery. And I will have 5 minutes to cancel this action if it is incorrect. So what's next? You're going to log into your account action status, and if necessary, most creditors will update all 3 credit reporting agencies the update to your credit may impact your score, and hopefully it impacts your score in a great way. One of my favorite tools with ScoreMaster is their ScoreBoost. Keep in mind, this is an example, so the numbers that I'm showing you are going to be based off of your own personal credit cards and how much you owe. Now, ScoreBoost is saying that your payments can increase by 78 points on this profile. Let's click on View. Okay, so right now we have a credit score of 639. This is where we are currently. And if we go up, then it goes up. And if we go down, it goes down. So let's go both ways. So you got to take the good with the bad. So if you spend another $1,000, you can probably go from 639 to 630. But if you paid an extra $1,000, you can go from a 639 to about a 646. Let's say you wanted to pay off $5,000 of your debts on your credit cards. You can go from a 639 up until 676. And if you're asking what credit cards, here they are right here. They're down here below. You see Amex, Capital One, and Citi. And they give you the balances, the payment amount that is due, all that good stuff. Okay, and it also tells you when your score will update on to make you want to make a payment before then, which is pretty great. So you can actually see your credit score reflect. And then let's say you paid off the whole $15,000, which is just all three of these balances added up into one. You'd go from a 639 up to 717, which is a 78-point increase from that 639. This tool is amazing. No other companies that I know of, online companies, can actually show you what your credit score could be if you paid off certain ones. They don't give you a number. This is a great tool to have. So you're going to see four things. You're going to see a credit score, auto score, insurance score, and a hiring risk index. And I'll talk all about that in different pieces. So just click the chapters down below. You can always come back and forth if you're confused or you just want to go over it again. The first thing we're going to look at is your credit score. Keep in mind, this is a Vantage score, and we're going to click on View Details, and this is based on the TransUnion score. And what it does is it gives you a grade as well. So right now the score is 639. And it does say it's poor. You have a number of issues with your credit, and it's okay. We are all there. We all have to start somewhere, and this is a great tool to get you to where you want to be. Okay, so this is going to give you some of the risk factors and things of that nature. So to tell you, probably your credit card balances are too high, what you can do to kind of work through those things. ScoreMaster through this right here is a pretty helpful tool. This is the ScoreTracker. You'll also see the auto score right here, the insurance score, and the hiring risk index. So for the auto score, it's very simple. You can click on this as well, and you will get probably not approved unless it's under 20,000 is what it's saying. Plus they're going to ask for a large down payment. So when you go to the dealership, they're going to ask for a lot of money down and probably give you a higher interest rate because the credit's not where it needs to be for top tier. This is the first time, honestly, in my opinion, any company, any tool online has talked about your insurance score, your hiring risk index, and also your auto score. That is major. Along with those three tools, you also get to see your credit report. You get to view it. And it's called a smart credit report, and it would tell you the negative items and things you have. Now, this is a lot more interactive. You'll definitely have to get some time to get used to going in and out of the certain pages, but you'll be able to look at everything. You'll be able to look at recent payment history. You'll be able to look at an overview to see your scores, how many credit cards you have, how many are in good standing, your total debt, your inquiries, your public records, negative items, things maybe in collections, things like that. So that's a really, really good tool to have. And then the other tool that ScoreMaster has is the 3 reports from your credit bureaus every month with the standard plan. So every month you'll be able to look at Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. And I'm going to go ahead and click on the last one that was done. And as you can see, you got a 613, a 598, and a 639. You're able to see your birth date and make sure all that stuff is good. You'll see a summary of accounts, closed accounts, and all that good stuff. What's open, what's not, the credit utilization on all of them. And this is really good. You get to check your credit reports because identity theft happens, unfortunately. You want to make sure there's nothing on your report that is causing a credit score to be lower than what it should be. There are 2 more things that I love on here. It's the Money Manager and the $1 million identity for fraud insurance. Now you get this automatically when you buy the membership, and what you get is a 0 deductible, which is great, no deductible. And then it covers your entire family residing in your household. It covers your bank, savings, brokerage, line of credits, credit cards, out-of-pocket expenses, credit reports, replacements due to passport being stolen, driver's license being stolen, all of that stuff. You get it, and it's $1 million. Now this is amazing to have. If you don't have it already, this is definitely icing on the cake. The Money Manager is the other product that I wanted to talk about. Now, this is what I mean by the all-in-one. So not only are you able to monitor your credit reports, have a plan, show what you can do if you paid off certain amounts of your credit, you're actually able to see all of your accounts all in one. The Money Manager is pretty similar to other online platforms that'll give you all of your accounts all in one, but it doesn't have everything else that I just mentioned. It doesn't have the score building, the boost. It doesn't have the fraud, the $1 million fraud coverage. It doesn't have any of that. ScoreMaster has all of this. So you're able to look at your recent summary for cash transactions, cash and credit, recent transactions, payments due, checking account, investments, credit cards, loans, all that stuff. Even your net worth, you'll be able to see that all right here. So ScoreMaster as a whole, I love everything that it offers. It is really interactive. It is fun to use. It's exciting to use. And it gives you a goal. A lot of people try to improve things, but they don't have small goals. I think it is really a key factor for long term. For a big goal is to break them down into small goals. ScoreMaster is giving you all of that all in one. You don't have to go anywhere else for it, and it's at a very affordable cost. And again, if you click the link down below, you get a cheaper price. It's going to be the pinned comment that I'm going to comment down below in the YouTube comment section. So make sure you click on that. If you're someone like myself, my story is very similar. I started off with zero credit, zero knowledge on financial information, zero knowledge on how to manage my finances. And I wish I knew of ScoreMaster 7-8 years ago to really better myself and put myself in a better financial situation. So final take, is ScoreMaster worth it? Definitely is. I truly believe in the product and the tools that it offers. ScoreMaster, you did a great job on this. Again, guys, if you want to go ahead and check this out, click the link down below. It'll give you the discounted price for this. The discounted price for this is cheaper than a meal on DoorDash, more than likely for you in one day. I know I could spend some money on DoorDash just on one order in one day. So go ahead and take that one order a month. Give yourself a better financial future, help you reach your financial goals, help you reach your credit goals. And again, whether that's buying a home, renting a home, lowering your car insurance premium, refinancing a car loan to make your rates lower, all of that good stuff, ScoreMaster is going to help you do that and give you the best credit score possible. I'll talk to you guys soon. Be safe. Thanks for watching.